Hey my lovelies, welcome back. I'm so excited. I don't know where to start. I'm sitting in my bed, taking in the stunning view of my craft corner in my bedroom. And I really have to say, I'm in love. Not only with my new lighting, but with the outcome of this project. Like, I never would have thought this would make me so happy and give me so much energy. So it took me 4 weeks to get to this point, and there is still tiny pieces or tiny bits and pieces I want to give a little more attention to. I haven't completely finished my blue closet yet. I'll show you that one in a minute. And there is other little projects. I simply didn't find the time so far. What I learned during this challenge is that breaking down a very big and probably overwhelming task into tiny pieces is the real thing to do. So I split my craft corner into 5 sections. And then I tackled each and every section individually with purging, reorganizing, cleaning and decorating. In case you can't remember the before, I hardly can. Let me show you the mess I started with. Oh boy, can you see all that clutter? Slightly ashamed right now, but okay, focus. One of my goals was to create more decorative storage and optimize the storage I already had to fit even more goodies in my small space craft corner. Are you ready for the big reveal? Let me show you the details. Alright, let me show you the view I wake up to every morning. Do you like it as much as I do? The little closet behind my door found its way into my home almost 2 years ago. But only now did I manage to give it some TLC. I painted it with a handmade chalk paint and stenciled a white flowery pattern all over it. It still needs to be distressed and waxed though. I'll link to the tutorial and recipe for the homemade chalk paint down in the info box. To save some money, I used boxes I already had. On the right side of my door is a little nightstand. I bought it at a flea market a couple years ago. I painted it and gave it a new knob. For this challenge, I bought 2 pine boxes called Knagglig from IKEA. I dedicated this storage to all my cards, bought or handmade, and some notebooks. I decided to create a 3-piece set of crafting-inspired wall art. I'll link to the tutorials for you in the info section once they're done. I love playing around with the letterboard my sister gave to me for Christmas. And I also love what just a couple dividers and a little time, of course, can do to your junk drawer. I finally invested in IKEA's little caddy Raskog. I like that it is so versatile and flexible. If need be, I can take it with me to another room. Also, meet Ursula, the papier-mâché piggy bank my mom made for me. This white shelf was my first thrift store furniture I brought home and painted. It cost only €25 and that included delivery. I measured the space behind the doors and bought IKEA Samla boxes. I shopped for the 3 fabric covered boxes on the left in my home. One is still empty, so check to the goal to create room for new things. In those wicker baskets is my stash of fabric, and all my crafting books found a home there too. You should totally check out my video tutorial on how to make these cute shelves out of old drawers. Onto my wrapping paper basket and that little chest of drawers I found on the side of the road. The shelf was moved from behind the door, and those 3-lidded animal pots were a souvenir from a thrift store in England. One is still empty, and if I want to take a little break, I can sit on another road find. I upholstered it and it was as good as new. I decorated the side of the drawers with wallpaper, and I'm currently using it to store pencils, crayons, chalk and paper in one drawer, my felt collection in the next one, and my camera supplies in another. There is still some room left. And that was it. I hope you like!
Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because there will be more. Bye!
Oh, and I'll try to find some of the nifty things I just showed you and link to them too